Welcome to Shiko, Beyond the Dot, where we challenge expectations, break barriers, and explore how women and the world are redefining leadership, careers, and equality. I'm your host, Shreya. Today, we're tackling a topic that demands our attention: the Win Pellicote trial, a landmark case where 51 men were convicted in a world where 99% of rapists walk free. This isn't just about one case. It's about systemic change, the fight for justice, and the courage of survivors worldwide. Let's begin with why this trial matters. For too long, survivors of sexual violence have faced overwhelming odds: a culture that disbelieves them, system that fails them, and communities that silence them. The Win Pellico trial is a pivotal moment, not just because of the number of convictions, but because it represents accountability in a world where impunity has been the norm. This case sends a clear message: justice is possible, survivors' voice matter, and no one else is above the law. To understand the impact of this trial, we need to acknowledge the bravery of Giselle Pellicot, the woman who stood at the center of this case. Her journey began with courage, reporting her assault and seeking justice. But the road was long and grueling. Her persistence and refusal to stay silent finally led to conviction of 51 perpetrators, making this trial a landmark moment not just for her, but for the survivors everywhere. Giselle's story reminds us of the resilience of survivors and the importance of supporting them through the long, arduous process of seeking justice. The Win Pellico trial is one story, but it's part of much larger narrative. Let's look at the broader picture. In India, survivors often face public shaming, ostracization, with families discouraging report to protect honor. In Nigeria, many cases of sexual violence go unreported due to stigma and fear of retaliation. In the United States, statistics reveal that 1 in 6 women experience attempted or completed rape, yet most perpetrators never face justice. In Japan, cultural silence often prevents victims from coming forward, and even when they do, legal definitions can fail to protect them. Across these contexts, a common thread emerges. Survivors are made to feel that violence against them is their fault. They carry the shame, while perpetrators walk free. This must change. Rape is not a women's issue, it's a societal issue. What stands out in the Win Pellico trial and similar cases is the bravery of survivors. Coming forward often means reliving trauma, facing scrutiny, and battling systems designed to protect the status quo. But their courage is what drives change. Their voices break the silence. They force society to confront uncomfortable truths, and they inspire others to speak up. Let's take a moment to honor their resilience. Their fight is not just for justice, but for a world where no one else has to endure what they did. As a society, we have a responsibility to support survivors. This means believing them. The default should be trust, not doubt. Survivors need to know they will be heard without judgment. It's important to create safe spaces, whether through legal reforms, accessible counseling, or community networks. We must ensure survivors have the resources they need to heal. Educating ourselves and others around us. Let's dismantle the myths and biases that perpetuate rape culture, holding perpetrators accountable. Justice systems need to be robust, survivor centric, and unrelenting in pursuing justice. Supporting survivors is not just about individual cases, it's about creating a culture where violence is unacceptable and empathy prevails over apathy. The Win Pellico trial is a step forward, but there's so much more to do. As individuals and as collective, we have power to speak up against victim blaming, advocate for stronger laws and better enforcement, stand with survivors, offering solidarity and support. Let's make it clear: Justice is not a privilege, it's a right, and no one deserves to face violence or silence alone. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Shiko. Pellico Trial is a reminder that change is possible, but it's also a challenge to all of us to do better, to build a better world where survivors are supported, perpetrators are held accountable, and the justice is a norm, not the exception. If this episode resonated with you, share it, start a conversation, and most importantly, take action. Together, we can be the change. Until next time, this is Shiko, where we step outside the door to create a better world for everyone.